Hello. Tonight we are going to talk about managing your recordings on our mobile app. I don't know how many times we are away from home and we realize we forgot to record a game or a show that we wanted to watch. So we just hop on over to the mobile app and set our recordings. So the timing of this is perfect because we recently upgraded our IPTV software. And when doing that, our previous mobile app, Manage MyTVs, is no longer supported with the upgraded version of our software. So we wanted to give you a little update on the new mobile app and how to get set up, because when you're setting it up for the first time, it's a little bit different than the previous app. All right, the app you will need to download is the MyTVs app, which you can find in the App Store. You just search for MyTVs, MyTVS, and you should be able to find it. Now you might see Manage MyTVs, which is not the right one. That's the previous app, so make sure you use MyTVs. And this is available for Apple and Android devices. And then once you have the app opened, I promise it's really easy and the app will walk you right through it. So first it will ask you to add an account, which you will add and name your device that you're using. So if you're using an iPhone, you can just call it iPhone or phone or whatever, or a tablet or whatever mobile device. And then it will ask you for a code, which you will find on your TV guide in the menu. And it will tell you on the app exactly where to go, but it's menu and then settings and then apps, and then you'll select device code. So once you find your device code on your TV guide, which it will show up there, you enter that into the app and then click pair device. So now you're set. You should be able to go in and set up your recordings, edit your series recordings, find out what's hot in the popular TV shows and channels, and find the program guide right from your mobile device. And here's an extra little tip for you about setting recordings in general. If you are recording a sporting event or something that might go over the allotted time slot, you can set the recording to record longer than the event is scheduled for. And you can set how much time it's going to go over. So however many minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. So that way, if the game goes into overtime, you won't miss that extra ending of the game. Now, you can also find these instructions for setting up this mobile app on our website at dakotacentral.com under Tools and Manage My Recordings. And we will also post a link to this in the comments. On this page, you will also find a handy little video that walks you through setting up DVR recordings on your DVR if you're new to DVR. All right, that's all we have for you tonight. And again, let us know in the comments if you have issues finding the mobile app, or if you have questions about setting your DVR or how to run your DVR. Any questions about DVR in general, let us know. And happy DVRing!